Hi there, today we'll be taking the Iyonada Monogatari from here Yawatahama to Matsuyama.
この列車は当駅折り返し16時14分発観光特急伊予灘物語道後編松山駅となります。列車到着後、折り返し準備と車内清掃を行います。ご乗車のお客様、車内清掃折り返し準備が終わりますまで今しばらくお待ちください。1番乗り場に当駅止まりの列車が到着いたします。
After boarding the train at Yawatahama and leaving, we'll ride up the Yosan line up the coast of Ehime Prefecture before arriving at Matsuyama Station. This journey will take a little over 2 hours and will arrive just after sunset. The Iyonada is one of a handful of special sightseeing trains that run here in Shikoku. This train consists of 3 cars and has a special 10th anniversary livery. Car number 3 in this train is the private suite, while the others feature regular seating. And this is my seat for today. If you're traveling by yourself, you might be sitting across someone you don't know, and it might be a little awkward. Waiting at my seat was a menu and a wet towel. They were kind enough to give me an English menu, so let me show you what's in it. It's mostly drinks and a few food options. So normally if you book in advance, you actually get a meal set. But for me, I waltzed into a station and asked if they had seats on the same day. They did, so here I am. So instead, I ordered something off the menu instead. And here's where the Yosan line splits into 2 separate lines. The one you see in the distance is the faster line, and all limited express trains use it. But for us, we'll be using the more scenic route. As the sea slowly starts to come into view, our train also approaches the main highlight of this trip.
出迎えがご覧いただけます。わずかな時間ではございますが、素敵なひとときをどうぞお楽しみください。
Apparently this station's been featured on a bunch of travel posters and as a result gained a bunch of popularity. In case you're wondering where my channel's profile picture comes from, it's from here.
皆様、進行方向右側、下灘駅のホームからは先ほどお出迎えをしてくださいました。地域の方、観光客の方によるお見送りがご覧いただけます。
As we slowly depart from Shimonada Station, I'll shut up for now, play some questionable music in the background, and let you enjoy the views as the sun slowly starts to set. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.